Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Chord back here with your guitar interpretations, and today we are doing Mr. Perfectly Fine by Taylor Swift. It's from The Vaults, right? Taylor's version album of the version of Fearless. All right, so we're gonna play this with basic chords. I have my capo on fret number 2 here, and the chords that we're gonna be using are as follows. So first we have a C major, which is open 3 2 open 1 open. Right, so we have hello, Mr. Perfectly Fine, and then we go to an E minor, right? I don't know what version of E this is, but then I'm basically combining E minor and maintaining that first fret of the, this is the B string, right? So I'm maintaining that note and I'm holding an E minor while opening this note, the fourth string, which is the D string, right? So you have, and in notes that would be open 2 open open 1 open, and then we go to A minor, and the A minor is open open 2 2 1 open. Alright, so that's F minor, which is open, 1 open 3 2 1 open. You can play this as F major, which is 1 3 3 2 1 1, and then you go to G to conclude, which is 3 2 open open 3 3. Right. Alright, so now moving on to the strumming patterns. Okay, so this is the chorus that we're doing right now. Let's just start off with the chorus. Okay, so sorry, I'm cycling back. Alright, so the strumming pattern here is mostly just going down 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 16 times. So that's 8 by 2, right? If it's slower, you can play just 8 times, but to play it as accurate as it sounds, you have to strum twice. Okay, so the chords are the same for the first part and the second part of the chorus, which is hello, Mr. Perfectly grew up. So that's C to E minor, and then we go to that A minor, and then F, and then G, C, or okay, so this is actually an E major, right? Except we're just not holding the fourth string, the D string. So that's open 2 open 1 open open. All right, so that's your chorus. You have C to E, and then you go to A minor, you go to F, and then you conclude with the G. All right, let's get into the verse and the intro, which sound the same, by the way. So we have C, so what I'm doing right there is I'm going down 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 up down down, right? Down 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 up down 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 up down 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 up down 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 up down 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 up down 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 up down down. All right, so that's your intro, which sounds like the chorus. That's C to E to A minor, and then F, G, right? Getting into the verse. Perfect fate. So we have C, it's here to stay. Alright, hold on. Let me just get that second chord. Alright, so we have a C first, and then we go to, so Mr. Perfect Face, Mr. Here to Stay. So that's Okay, so that's a G, right? So Mr. Perfect Fate, Mr. Here to Stay. Okay, and then we go on to, right, Mr. Looked Me in the Eye and Told Me, and that part is as follows. We have, okay, Here to Stay. So that's C to G, and then A minor. So C to G to F, right? So C, G, A minor, F. Okay, so the chords change when she goes, but then that was when I got to know. That's where the chords change, and the progression switches to, what that was, to A minor, to F, to C, to G. So that's A minor, na 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 na, to F, na 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 na, and then C, na 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 na, and then G. All right, and then we get into the chorus, which we've already done. Let's just scroll to see if we have a bridge or something where the chords are completely unique. So there's that outro after. Okay, we do have a progression change where she goes so dignified, what. So let's do that part. Perfectly fine, and then we go into like an interlude, just an instrumental, and that's C to G to A minor, sorry, C to E to A minor, and then F to G, and then we go to A minor, pursuit to F, eyes on you, and then C, and then E minor. Okay, so this whole so dignified is A minor, na 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 na, to F, na 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 na. Oh, he's so smart, Mr. Always Wins. And then you close with an E minor, right? And then let's just go on. Every sense. Okay, so there's kind of like a twist right there where she goes, always wins, you're above me in air. That's F, and then back to C, anything, and then G, and then back to C, and it's really just a shame. G, and then again C, and then again G, and then A minor, and then F, Mr. Too Late, and then goodbye, Mr. Perfectly Fine. Okay, and now our pitch is D, A minor, sorry, A major, B minor 7, G to A. Hello, Mr. Perfectly Cool, to G, sorry, it's D to A, and then B minor 7, G, and then A. Alright, so let me show you the chords there. So we have a D. That's when she changes the pitch off the chorus the last time. So that's open, 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 2, 3, 2. And then we go to A, which is open, open, 2, 2, 2, open. And then we go to B minor 7, which is open, 2, open, 2, 3, open. And then we close with a G, which is 3, 2, open, 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 3, right? And I guess that's basically it, because this is the end of the song. You're perfectly fine. You never go amazing song, guys. Please learn this. Again, I can't stress enough the fact that Taylor Swift songs will teach you the same progression over and over again until you see that pop or music in general is literally the same chords. Just the pitches change, the progressions change, but the chords remain the same, right? So do practice this song. Subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Leave a like and share the video if it helped you. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.